So hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing Brustro's pencil color. So I didn't use it before, so it's my first impression. So let's unbox it. So let's remove its cover. It is set of 24 and there's some information about it. And in its back side here are all the shades, and now let's open it. So let's open it. Here's a wrapper to protect the colors from scratches. It looks bright and so beautiful. Okay, so here's the color. Brustro Artist Colored Pencil. So there is another box in it. So let's test it. So I'm using red color. I blend red and orange color, so it's so smooth and so easy to blend. Let's try another one. Okay, it's espresso color. Espresso BR65. So here's toner gray. So here's the black color. It was so dark and bright. So this is guys Brustro Artist Color Pencils. That's it guys. Please like and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.